Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best treadmill Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Sunny Health & Amp Fitness Folding Treadmill. The Sunny Health & Amp Fitness Folding Treadmill with device holder gets a nod for being a sleek-looking, reliable treadmill that comes with some pretty cool features and an easy-to-swallow price tag. You can place your mobile device in a handy holder and tailor your workout to your favorite fitness app, or even get pro tips and lessons from free online training videos offered by certified Sunny Health & Amp fitness trainers. As with most other treadmills on this list, you can quickly monitor your pulse, speed, time, distance, and calories burned on the well-laid-out, sizable monitor. This treadmill features a max user weight of 220 pounds. It's also equipped with pulse rate sensors on the handrail, as well as quick speed buttons that let you start, stop, or adjust your speed. The manual incline offers 3 different positions, which isn't the best if that's a feature you're going to use frequently. It does offer an excellent speed range of 0.5 to 9 miles per hour, though, along with 9 pre-selected programs. It doesn't come with Bluetooth connectivity. Number 2. Our second best pick is Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill offers you the best of both worlds when it comes to needing a walking under the desk option or easily converting to a stable treadmill for running on. It has a surprisingly large speed range of 0.5 to 8 miles per hour, especially considering its lightweight size and compact nature. This model also offers a plush 7-layer non-slip, shock-absorbing belt that is super forgiving for people with knee or ankle issues. The handy remote control allows you easy access and operation while using the treadmill in desk mode. The LED display allows you to monitor time, speed, calories burned, and distance, but it's quite a bit smaller and more difficult to read than many other treadmills on this list. It does, however, offer convenient Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to play music or connect to your favorite fitness apps. It also has a generously roomy belt size that measures 40 inches long and 16 inches wide. One of the only drawbacks to this cleverly designed choice is that it lacks any incline adjustment. It's also not as stable as some other options. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sunny Health & Amp Fitness SF-T7515 Smart Treadmill. If you're looking for the ideal combination of functionality, durability, customizable options, and price tag, our top pick has to be the Sunny Health & Amp Fitness SF-T7515 Smart Treadmill. This treadmill comes with plenty of the bells and whistles you would expect to find on a higher-end model, including Bluetooth and MP3 connectivity so you can listen to music or take phone calls easily. A large, backlit LCD monitor displays time, distance, speed, calories, heart rate, and incline. You can even choose from 12 different levels of customized incline and access your favorite level using the quick button auto incline option. Like many of the more expensive treadmills, this model offers a speed range from 1 to 8 miles per hour and a respectable running space of 49.5 inches in length and 16.5 inches wide. The handrail pulse sensors allow you to easily monitor and maintain your ideal heart rate during your workout. The soft drop hydraulic system allows you to safely unfold the unit, keeping your hands free. One drawback to note is that this isn't the quietest treadmill on the market. It also loses points for some quality control issues, but with a 3-year warranty, you should be protected. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Serene Life Folding Treadmill. For the ultimate in compact portability, it's tough to beat the Serene Life Folding Treadmill. It weighs a shockingly light 59 pounds, and when it's all folded up, it measures a mere 21.65 inches long, 24.4 inches wide, and 46.4 inches high. This is one of the most space-saving treadmills on the market. This feature isn't its only selling point, though. This unit comes equipped with 12 preset training modes that you can personalize and adjust. It also has a decently sized running belt, considering its small stature, although it certainly isn't the roomiest on the list. This model comes with a somewhat small LCD display that lets you monitor your run time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. You can also integrate compatible fitness apps and listen to music via Bluetooth connectivity for added variety. It also has a surprisingly generous maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds. The drawbacks: it's definitely not as sturdy as some other choices, and it maxes out at a top speed of 6 miles per hour. It does, however, offer 4 different levels of manual incline. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Ksports Treadmill Bundle. For those who crave more than just running or walking, the Ksports Treadmill Bundle offers plenty of options and incredible versatility with a very small footprint. This package gives you the ability to perform a full body workout with the included abs mat, sit-up rack, and dumbbells. The treadmill offers a sizable running surface that measures 40 inches long and 16 inches wide and comes equipped with 12 preset workout programs. You also get 3 levels of manual incline adjustability and a speed range of 0.6 to 8 miles per hour. Like many other treadmills on the list, this unit features handlebar heart rate sensors and an easy-to-read LCD display for monitoring your pulse, distance, speed, time, and calories burned. It's also MP3 and Bluetooth compatible. It also features a soft drop hydraulic system for easy and safe folding and storage. One drawback is that the running belt on this unit doesn't seem to be as cushioned or generously padded as with some other models. The 12-month warranty also isn't the best in the business, but it's still better than nothing. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.